In this video, I'll guide you through how to update your SSL certificate on Bluehost so your site shows as secure in visitors' browsers. We'll go step by step, and by the end, you'll know exactly what to do whenever your certificate needs a refresh. First, make sure you're logged into your Bluehost portal in your web browser. This is the main dashboard you see after signing into your hosting account. If you're not there yet, go ahead and sign in using your usual account credentials, then wait for the main portal page to load. Once you're in the Bluehost portal, look for the section labeled Websites. This is where Bluehost lists all the sites connected to your account. Find the website where you want to update the SSL certificate. When you see it, look for the Manage option next to that site and click it. This will open the management area for that specific website where you can control settings like performance, security, and more. Inside the site management area, navigate to the tab labeled Security. This is where Bluehost shows you the security tools and status for your site, including your SSL certificate. Give the page a moment to load, then look for the section that shows whether your site is secure or not. Here you'll want to check the current status of your SSL. If you see something like not secure or a message indicating there's no active certificate, that's your sign that the SSL needs attention. Next to that status, look for the small vertical ellipsis icon, which is the three dots stacked on top of each other. This often appears on the right side of the row. Click those three dots to reveal more options. From the small menu that appears, select View SSL Logs. This might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. All it does is open a page where you can see how your SSL certificate is being handled behind the scenes. When you click it, Bluehost will take you into the cPanel area directly to the SSL TLS status page. On the SSL TLS status page, you'll see a list of domains and subdomains associated with your account. Find the main domain that you want to secure. Take your time here to make sure you're selecting the correct one, especially if you host multiple sites or subdomains under the same account. Once you've located the right domain, look for the option labeled Run Auto SSL. This is the key action that actually updates your certificate. Clicking Run Auto SSL tells Bluehost to immediately request a fresh SSL certificate for your domain instead of waiting for any automatic process to run on its own schedule. Go ahead and click Run Auto SSL. The system may take a little while to complete this process, so be patient and avoid refreshing the page while it's working. Behind the scenes, Bluehost is contacting the certificate provider, validating your domain, and installing the new certificate on your hosting environment. After the process finishes, your domain should be secured with a new SSL certificate. If you return to the Security tab for your site in the Bluehost portal, you should no longer see the Not Secure status. Instead, your site should be marked as secure, and visitors will see the padlock icon in their browser when they visit your website.